The question arises, who are the Muslims that will end up in hell? The question might lead you to ponder that even though one is a Muslim, that may still find themselves in hell. Those who end up in hell are those who have committed a shirk. However, remember that Allah is forgiving. So even if you come to Allah with countless sins, seeking forgiveness with sincerity, He will forgive you. Consider this, if Allah can forgive, He can also punish. And His punishment is so severe that you cannot even imagine it. Every Muslim knows that after death, they will be held accountable. Once a person acknowledges that only Allah will grant them life after death, why then rely on anyone else besides Allah? Today, Muslims are not safe from polytheism and the consequences are severe. If a man's wife commits adultery with another man or develops an inappropriate relationship with a non-mahram, the husband would feel immense anger if he were to find out. The anger might escalate to the point of violence. In such a situation, the husband's emotions can be deeply affected. Discovering that his wife has betrayed their martial vows can cause him intense emotional distress, including feelings of betrayal, hurt, fury, and humiliation. The violation of trust and the emotional bond between spouses can shatter. Similarly, when Allah declares that there is no helper besides me, why then rely on others? As you know, Allah can forgive countless sins, but associating partners with Him is a sin. He will never forgive you. Remain free from polytheism. Allah will forgive all your sins. However, if you associate partners with Him, He will never forgive. Any Muslim who places their hope or trust in someone other than Allah for help should know that this is considered polytheism, which angers Allah greatly. It's an unforgivable sin. Seek forgiveness from it as soon as possible.